Hi, this is Bindu and welcome to my channel Creative Tone, which is all about being creative and making creative stuffs. So here's another crochet earring video for you. Sorry for the late upload. Actually, I was so busy in shifting from north to south. I mean from UP to Karnataka and hence couldn't post any videos recently. I deeply regret for the gap, but now I'm back with the new exciting video for you. So today I will show you how to make these beautiful crochet hoop earrings. I'm using the same light shade multicolor acrylic yarn which I've used in my previous earring video. You can use yarn according to your choice of colors. Now let's see how to make these earrings. So for this we need a round hoop of 2.5 centimeters. I'm using the hoop of my old earrings and acrylic yarn and a crochet hook. We'll be using the 3 mm part today and a yarn needle and pair of scissors and white glue. I've already made one piece of the pair. It opens like this. See, this is the right side and this is the wrong side. For the left pair, I started knitting from this direction. You need to wear this on the left ear so that the right side isn't face the front, and for the right piece we should start from here. So first we need to make a knot, then we'll make stitches around the hoop. Okay, watch how I'm doing the stitches. So all we need to do is to make total 34 stitches for this 2.5 centimeters hoop. If you're using a bigger hoop, then can increase the number. I'll mention the details in the description below. Please have a look at that if you want to make a bigger hoop earrings. Now in second row we need to make 4 single crochet, then chain 4, then chain 6 3 times, then chain 4 and 4 single crochet. For second row, first chain 1 and then 4 single crochet, we need to make same patterns for both sides. See how I'm doing. So 4 single crochet, now chain 4, then skip 4 stitches, and make a slip stitch to join. Now chain 6 for the next loop and skip 6 stitches, then join with the slip stitch. This is the second loop. Now repeat the same process 2 more times. Chain 6, skip 6 stitches, make slip stitch, and here's we completed third loop. And now coming to the fourth loop, chain 6, skip 6 stitches and then join. Now again chain 4, 1 2 3 4, skip 4 stitches, and join. So in the third row we need to knit the last loop first. So here just make 2 single crochet, then 2 half double crochet, then 1 double crochet, then again 2 half double crochets, and 2 single crochets again to make our first petal, and then make a slip stitch to join. So here's the first petal completed. In the second loop we need to make 2 single crochet, then 1 half double crochet, then 2 double crochets, then 1 triple crochet, then again 2 double crochets, then 1 half double crochet, and then 2 single crochets to complete this petal, and make a slip stitch to join. This is our second petal, and then repeat the same process for the next 2 loops. And now we completed our fourth petal, and in the rest loop just repeat the same process as the first petal, which is 2 single crochets, 2 half double crochets, 1 double crochet, and 2 half double crochets, and 2 single crochets. And make a slip stitch to join. So here we completed row 3. We need to make this portion of both sides look same like this. That's why we need to knit the fourth row. So in the fourth row we'll just make a single crochet in all the stitches around the hoop. First make chain 1, then make single crochet in each stitches like this. So now the last part of the row 4 is to make 4 single crochet in the rest 4 stitches, just to make both sides of the earring same. Let's hide the extra yarn using the yarn needle. Now let's apply the glue here so that the yarn sticks to the hook and the design stays secure. Here's how it looks after making both the pieces. Upcycle a pair of old hoop earrings into beautiful crochet earrings with this DIY pattern. And let me know whether you like it or not in the comment section below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such kind of crochet patterns. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay connected and happy knitting. Bye bye.